Looking for a rolling computer bag that keeps your 17.3-inch laptop protected and makes airport security a breeze? This bag offers a fully padded, removable laptop compartment designed to shield your device from bumps and scratches. Plus, its checkpoint-friendly sleeve lets you slide through TSA lines faster, saving you time and hassle during travel. I switched to this bag after my old one wore out, and the difference is clear. The materials feel solid and built to last, with durable Easy Glide wheels that absorb impact and roll smoothly across any surface. The telescoping handle extends and retracts effortlessly, while the sturdy carry handle offers a reliable grip when you need to lift it. It's clear this bag was made for professionals who demand both style and function. Organization is a breeze thanks to the full-size front zip-down organizer section. It includes pen loops, card holders, and accessory pockets to keep your essentials within easy reach. There's even an additional 2-section file compartment that fits foolscap-sized suspension files, so your paperwork stays neat and accessible. The speed buckle closure adds an extra layer of security, keeping your important documents locked in place. If you're someone who carries a laptop, files, and binders between work and travel, this rolling computer bag fits the bill. It holds everything you need without feeling bulky, and the smooth rolling wheels make moving through airports or office hallways effortless. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants quality and convenience without breaking the bank. Worth a look if you want a reliable, well-organized laptop bag that stands up to daily use. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your travel and work gear with a bag that delivers both protection and practicality.